Yeah, hi friends. This is Ajit Kumar from Chennai. So today we're going to see how to declare declarative schema in Magento. In previous video, I have explained how to create, drop, and rename your tables. And today we mostly concentrate on how to add and rename or rename the column types in your columns inside the tables. So before coming to this video, kindly watch my previous video. So if you come directly into this, it's quite blind for you. So even we have to make sure how to create the table, then we can come to know how to change the columns and how to add and rename and everything, all the steps. So I'm just start from how to add the new columns in the tables. So yeah, we have some set of this is my GitHub. So I will add this URL in the video descriptions. You can just go through it. So from here, for adding a new columns, so yeah, already I have created the DB schema for my previous videos. So if you go through my previous video, you came to know that. So I'm just continue my video from here. So if you want to add one more columns, like we want to right now we have only for created at, so I want one more column like updated at. So I'm just add one more column here and change name as updated at, and I'm just add the command, okay, and just save the files. So once you've done all the changes, you should generate whitelist.json. So without updating whitelist.json, the added field should not be updated in your database. So I'm just running the whitelist JSON file. It will, yeah, it's done. Okay, I'm just opening the whitelist.json that could generate it inside the etc. So from here you can see the updated at is added in your the columns. So now you can run the setup upgrade. Yeah, it will take some time, so my local system is too slow, so let's wait until it's complete. I will pause my video, so I won't take much time of yours. Yeah, setup command is updated, so let's go to our database. So I'm just using Magento 2 as database for my local machines. So I'm just check the declarative schema, so the blog table, I'm just opening this. So from here you can see the updated ad is added in our existing database, existing tables. So I'm just okay. So right now we came to know how to add a new columns into the tables. So once you add it, so if you want to drop the columns from your table, so like example, so updated at it's not required for the block declarative tables. If you want to remove it from your existing tables, so for that you should just remove that entire column inside your db schema.xml. So I'm just come here and I'm just remove the entire column, or else you can make it like disable true. So even the one option, you can remove the total lines of the columns, or else you can make it as disable true. So right now I'm just removing the entire lines of code and just save it, and before running to the setup upgrade, you should generate the whitelist.json. So from there, whatever the updated it's previously added, right, so it will automatically remove in the whitelist.json. Let's wait until the whitelist has been generated in our modules. Okay, it's keep on generating. Let's wait for one more minute. Yeah, it's done. Let's check the whitelist.json. Okay, it's done. Let's run the setup command. Okay, the setup command is updated. Let's check in the database whether updated at field got removed or not. So let's come to our server. Let's refresh my DB. Okay, from here the block declarative tables. So from here, yeah, the updated at it's removed from the tables. Okay, so this is how we're going to remove the columns in the existing tables. Okay, now we're going. Okay, the next thing, so if you want to change the column type, then how could we perform it? So for that, the same, even all the operations we can do it inside the db underscore schema. So for example, for blog descriptions, we can make it as a text instead of varchar. Just comment it out, and I'm just removed the length. Okay, it's done. Just run generate the whitelist.json. Okay, it's done. Let's run for the setup command. Okay, the setup command is completely it's done successfully. Let's check the db. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm just refreshing this, and yeah, I need to refresh the db. So because we have changed the column type. Okay, it's there. Let's check for the structures. You see, so previously it was a varchar, so after updating the column type as a text for blog description, it's updated in our blog declarative table. Okay, so this is how we're going to update the column type for the existing tables. And the next thing, so if you want to rename a column, so you should use on create attributes in the columns. So for like, just again come to db schema, and if you want to change the block names, so just add, okay, on create. So just like from here you need to add the migrated column name like the blog descriptions. I will make it as new. Before that, I'm just adding few, I will insert few details here. So like title 1, description 1, sorry, name 1, description 1. Just go, and I'm just running the same SQL query for multiple times. Okay, it's done. Let's check for the browser. So right now we have the 5 records, and you can see the blog description. We have also the description 1. So we have inside the same record, so that's the reason it will send the same data inside the fields. So I'm just want to migrate the table. So already we have did some changes here. Yeah, blog, no. So right now So blog description column, whatever record it will be there, it needs to migrate it into the new columns like the blog description new. So I'm just running, just we need to generate the whitelist.json, then only the Magento come to know that the migration could happen for one of the field in the existing table. Okay, the whitelist has been generated. Let's check for whitelist.json. So from here, yeah, the existing field is also there, and whatever the new field we have added to migrate, even that will also present the whitelist.json. So I'm just running the setup command. Once run the setup, then whatever the updated columns we have mentioned in the DB schema, that could be generated in your database. Okay, let's wait until the setup upgrade will complete. Yeah, the setup command is successfully completed. Let's check in the DB. So yeah, right now, so the blog description have 5 set of records like description 1. So as per our current implementation, so whatever data records we have added inside the blog description, it should be migrated as blog description underscore new, and the same record should be replicated there. So I'm just copy the same URL and paste it here. So let's see the difference. You can see, so from here you can see the blog description new with the record of blog descriptions. So this is the existing one. So from here the blog description will have the same records, and from here the blog description is removed, and we can see the blog description new columns with the blog description data. So this is how we can rename a columns, so even it rename, and we can get the records from the existing the fields. So if you have any queries, or if you are facing any problem while we migrating columns or database, so just add the comments. So I will get all the informations. If you want any videos related to the declarative schema, kindly add the comments, and it will motivate me to create few more videos related to the declarative. So I feel like almost I have covered all topics related to the declarative schemas. So yeah, I will come up with a new videos for UA components. So yeah, it will take some time to come up with the videos. So yeah, so thank you so much guys. So thanks for your support. We'll catch you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.